Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Evan here. We're gonna show you how to make a custom Bendy. He's kind of like the ink demon because he is, and we're gonna be able to make him. So, here's his legs, and here's his body. So, here's his legs, and here's this stuff. And we attach it on, and so here's how you do the body and legs. Here's the head of the ink demon. And here's how you make them.